Hark! From the deep, unfathomable vortex of that golden light in which the victor bathes, all nature's wordless voice in thousand tones ariseth to proclaim, Joy unto ye, O men of Myalba. 35. A pilgrim hath returned back from the other shore. A new Arhon is born. 36. Peace to all beings. 37. Glossary to Part 1. The Voice of the Silence. 1. The Pali word iti is the synonym of the Sanskrit siddhis or psychic faculties, the abnormal powers in man. There are two kinds of siddhis, one group which embraces the lower, coarse, psychic and mental energies. The other is one which exacts the highest training of spiritual powers.